Imagine if anyone could reverse your password hash and steal your account just by knowing the scrambled data. That is the nightmare scenario that preimage resistance prevents. Today we explore preimage resistance, a critical property of cryptographic hash functions that ensures the safety of your digital identity and data integrity. Preimage resistance specifically means it is computationally infeasible to guess the original input when you only have the hash output, even with unlimited computer power. While collision resistance prevents finding two different inputs that create the same hash, preimage resistance stops attackers from recovering your specific secret input from the result. This protection is vital for password storage. Without it, a hacker could reverse engineer hashes to reveal your actual passwords and compromise your account immediately. Beyond passwords, this property secures digital signatures and data storage applications by ensuring that the original file cannot be reconstructed from its digital fingerprint. In conclusion, preimage resistance acts as a one-way mirror, allowing verification of data, without ever exposing the sensitive information hidden behind the hash. Understanding these cryptographic layers is essential for modern security. What other encryption concepts do you want us to explain next? Let us know in the comments.